Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant error code 7 easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just type here services, click on it, and then scroll down until you find VGC. Right click on VGC and click properties. Now click you will find it like that, make it automatic, click apply and OK and restart here. After that, just click close this window and then click here, open Windows Security, go to Virus and Trait Protection, manage settings, scroll down until you find add or remove exclusions. Yes, and here add an exclusion, file, and scroll. Now you need to find your Riot Games folder location and then click on it, Valorant live shooter game, binaries, Win64, and here you will find Valorant Win64. Click on it and click open. Your problem is fixed, and see you in the next video.